So if you want to learn how to apply makeup professionally, you should not subscribe to this channel. I know you probably thought I was going to say subscribe to this channel. No, I'm just a regular person that puts on makeup, but not always the best. But what I'm doing today is I'm reviewing makeup I bought at the Dollar Tree, all for $1 each. And I'm really excited about it because I am going to be filming a video for my other channel, CreditFast. And CreditFast is a channel where I review different credit cards, and I need to get ready for that shoot. And what's going to be really exciting about that video is I will be doing a video about the new thing I'll be doing on my channel, which is I'm going to start doing giveaways. If you're interested in giveaways, you should watch that video. I will be giving away 4 wallets. If you want to know more information on it, you can visit CreditFast /contests, and that'll describe what the contest is about, what we're giving away, and what I will be giving away in future giveaways. So we should get on to this review of this $1 makeup where I only paid $1 for each item. And let's see how well it does and how well it will do for my video on my other channel, how well it will look. So I picked different shades for this video. I picked the darkest eyeshadow that they had, this blush color. Now, the last color I picked was this shade. So full disclosure, I am not using a $1 foundation. Thankfully, they don't make it. So I'm just using my regular foundation, and is the only thing I will be using today that is not from Beauty Benefits Hollywood $1 makeup that you can buy at the Dollar Tree. So what I wear for every video I do is basically this L'Oreal 24-hour foundation, Infallible Pro Glow. This is the formulation for people with drier skin tones, and they have another one that looks exactly the same, except it's got red writing right over here, a red background, and that is for people that have skin that's less dry, more oily. I highly recommend it. I did a lot of research on it. I watched a lot of beauty vloggers, and when I looked for a foundation that was reasonably priced, I didn't want the cheapest, but I didn't want a $50 foundation either. This one kept coming up. So I left the links in the description below if you're interested in learning more for both this version and for the other version for oilier skin tones. And I'm going to start applying the $1 makeup that I bought at Dollar Tree. At first I thought this was Dollar Tree's own brand because Dollar Tree will make certain items for their store, but this is not made by Dollar Tree at all. And the company is called Markwins. And Markwins is actually a company you are very well familiar with the different cosmetics that they make. They are known for making Bonnie Bell lip smackers. They make the Wet n Wild makeup brand and Physician formulas, to name a few. So this company's been around a long time. So seeing this and knowing that this comes from a long-standing company makes me feel better about things, and thinking that a $1 makeup can't be all that bad. So we're going to start with a blush. So I'm going to put this blush on. It is powdering up here, so this might be a little darker than I thought, so I should be a little light with this at first. Oops. Uh-oh. Don't you love these honest reviews? It shows up more than I thought it would. Alright, I'm gonna kind of make sure I have less on there. Like I said, if you want to learn makeup techniques, you should not subscribe to this channel. You should subscribe to the channel if you want honest reviews, because I will give you an honest review. Oh my god. Alright, so I'll have to fix it. If you want to see how it turned out, watch my video, my CreditFast video. And that's another thing, guys. If you like the idea of me giving away things either on this channel or the other channel, hit the thumbs up. I'll know that you guys would like to see that. And I run the contest really simple. I ask for an email address, and then I have a third-party website actually draw out the names, so I don't manually pick the names. It's just completely random. Alright, now that we know that the blush can be a little bit of a train wreck, I'm going to be a little bit careful with the eyeshadow, because I said that I picked the darkest eyeshadow that they had, and knowing how much the blush has shown up, I'm going to be a little bit more careful with this eyeshadow, but I'm still happy I bought it because it is a darker color, and I usually try to have some kind of eyeshadow that has dark earthy tones to it so that it shows up on my videos. I'm going to start out with the crease color, because that way I can blend it out with the other colors. If it's too dark, it'll blend down. So I have a friend who watches my videos, and she asked me, "Oh, you have a professional makeup artist do your makeup?" I'm like, no, you obviously don't know what a professional makeup artist does, because this is not what they do. I'm just hoping to blend everything. I mean, this is kind of dark, and I'm gonna put the brown color in. But I can tell you, after you film a few YouTube videos, you understand that makeup really doesn't show up that bad. I think it'll actually look good in the finished video. I'll fix it a little bit. I'm not going to add any more. I'll just deal with what I have. Oh, look at that. I did not think that that brown would show up as well as it did. I'm pretty impressed. Because sometimes I have a real problem with eyeshadows really adhering to my eyelid. I mean, I'll use primers and everything. I didn't use a primer today. All I did was I used the foundation over my eyelids, and that's not as good as a primer, so I'm pretty impressed. Like, look how nice this shimmery brown shade looks. I kind of like it. So yep, I will be doing contest giveaways now, at least to start out with my CreditFast channel, and I'm excited about it because I've always wanted to do giveaways. And the thing is, when you have a YouTube channel, you have a lot of freedom on what you want to do with your channels. I mean, I'm actually pretty impressed by this makeup line, because for $1 it's performing rather well. So you can see I'm actually pretty shocked with the eyeshadow. And again, I am not a makeup expert. I just review it. Okay, so this is a mascara, And a lot of what I hear about mascara is that you don't need to go expensive to have a decent mascara. Department store mascaras are not much better than what you get at the drugstore. So this is a $1 mascara. So you know I have extremely short lashes, so it doesn't matter what mascara I use. I never come out having long lashes. So you're not going to see a dramatic change. I'm actually going to take some time and apply this with a mirror, and so I get a better application. But as things go, this seems like your typical mascara, and for $1 I think it's a decent quality. Okay, so this is what the mascara application looks like, and I'm pretty happy with it actually, because I have very short lashes and I think it did a pretty good job. Easy application. I don't like those new plastic applicator brushes. This is the traditional mascara brush, and I think it did a great job. I might even start using this. So last thing I'm going to test out is the lip gloss. I actually wish I picked a darker color. This will probably be very close to my natural lip color. I don't have a lip liner. I always use a lip liner, but I don't have it today, so we'll see what happens. Well, the color application isn't bad. For $1 lip product, this is pretty good. Actually impressed. I still wished that I went with the darker color, because when I'll be shooting my video, a darker color shows up better than a lighter one, but this will probably still work just fine. Pretty nice. And so I'd have to say the mascara is really good. I'd be really careful with the blush. So I have to say, for $4, this is a pretty decent outcome. Also, don't forget that if you are interested in entering the contest where I give away 4 wallets, visit CreditFast /contests. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And I hope you go out and try this makeup.